Philippines is the great history according to orography. Manila is capital city, dunking point from the other country. Metro Manila, Quezon City, Caloocan, Pasay, Makati, Marikina, Pasig, Saputi, Malabon, Las Piñas, Paranaque. From the north, Batanes, Sapari, Ilocos Sur, Ilocos Norte, Sabila, Cagayan, Bali, Mountain Province, La Union, Baguio City, Nueva Ecija, Nueva Vizcaya, Tarlac, Pangasinan, Pampanga, Zambales, Bataan, Abra, Bulacan, Cavite, Batangas, Laguna. Now let's go to the southern Luzon, Camarines Norte, Quezon, Albay, Camarines Sur, Catanduanes, Masbate, Sorsogon, and we add 3 islands more. Mindoro, Marinduque, Romblon, then down to Visayan, sure, famous of sugar, coconut, and corn. Cebu, Macdan, Mandawi, Bohol, Samar, Leyte, Iloilo, Capiz, Aklan, Antique, Palawan, Negros, Bacolod, Siquijor, Dumaguete. Now let's go to the land of promise, the land of Mindanao, Bukidnon, Zamboanga, Misamis, Mambuhaw, Butuan, Agusan, Surigao, Cagayan de Oro, Iligan, Misamis, under 3 province of Davao, Davao Sur, Oriental del Norte, Cotabato, Lanao, Tawi-Tawi. Philippines has the great history. Manila is capital city. All tourists are invited to see according to orography. Philippines is a beautiful country. Let's follow Belize April.